Hello folks, this is Jennifer. Today we will talk about LeetCode 15.6, merge intervals. Question is, we're given an array of intervals, each with a start and end value. We can think of an interval like a reserved time slot for a studying room. For each of intervals, we want to merge all overlapping intervals. The result will be a new array of merged intervals. Let's go through example 1. We have input interval 1, 3. 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. In this case, we see we have an interval 1, 3 and 2, 6. So these two are overlapping. We can merge them into 1, 6. The remaining two intervals are non-overlapping, so they do not get merged, and then we see that the output has 3 intervals. We may observe that it would be very helpful for us to take these intervals and sort them based on the start value. So we're going to take our input list of intervals sorted by the start value. From code perspective, the first intervals is our array which will be sorted. The second part is the comparator which is passed in a lambda expression form. Now we got a 2D array intervals in ascending order based on the first start element of each interval array. We will prepare an array list to save the results after merging all overlapping intervals. Why using an array list here? Since we're not sure how many overlapping intervals will be merged, array list can help us to add elements whenever we want. We can use get method to access element in the array list. We can use the size method to find out how many elements an array list have. We first add 1, 3 interval into array list. We use pointer I to traverse the remaining 2D intervals. The current interval array is 2, 6. We define the current interval as the array pointer I is pointing to. We define the previous interval as the one we got from the array list. If the current interval's start value, which is 2 here, is smaller than the previous interval's end value, which is 3 here, these two intervals are overlapping. We will merge them into 1, 6. Pointer I moves forward. Current interval is 8, 10. If current interval's start value, which is 8, is greater than the previous interval's end value, which is 6, these two intervals are not overlapping. We directly add current interval into result. Alright, let's dive into code. First, we're going to take our input list of intervals sorted by start value. We prepare an array list. We first add 1, 3 into array list. We define the current interval as the array pointer I is pointing to. We define the previous interval as the one we get from the array list. If the current interval's start value is smaller than the previous interval's end value, these two intervals are overlapping. We will merge them and ensure the merged interval's ending value is the maximum of these two intervals' ending values. Else, we directly add current interval into result. Since this question requires a 2D array as the return type, we need to convert our array list into a 2D array for the output. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It supports my channel a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.